Hi, ma'am. Picture yung kanina, ma'am. Sure. Okay, so ito yung first picture lang. Formal. And then, ito naman yung second picture yung nakatthumbs up ko. And then yung third picture niyo po is family hall. Family hub. Key sign. Ito po yung key sign lang. Okay, and then ito naman po yung naka-hello. Ayan. And then heart rate. So, bali yung pictures niyo po, ma'am. Pag na-print out po siya, meron na po siyang layout na 100 rows.